Trade icy mornings and snow shuffles for year-round sunshine, turquoise waters, and tropical living here on our sunny island of Aruba. This is Paradera, the heart of Aruba, a brand new development close to all the amenities you need to call it home, with 37 modern family homes starting at just $322,000 on pre-construction prices. Ready in 8 to 10 months from the moment you choose your model of 2, 3, or 4 bedrooms on private property land with modern finishes, porcelain floors, aluminum double glass windows, AC units, all services already installed, making it a ready-to-live-in home. Customize it your way with a family pool, designer kitchen, or tropical barbecue patio. So whether you're relocating, retiring, or investing in rental income property, this is your chance to own a piece of paradise close to beaches, shoppings, and entertainment. Call today 297-560-9174 or mail at sitesaruba.com.